Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. This is clove. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use clove and other natural ingredients with Vaseline to help you grow your hair much faster. This DIY recipe is a great hair moisturizer as well as a hair growth aid that can help you grow your hair and prevent hair damage. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so this is ginger. I make sure to clean my ginger very well before starting with this recipe. And with this hair growth recipe, we do not need any water in it. So once you wash your ginger, make sure you dry it up with a paper towel or any clean cloth. You are also going to let it air dry before using it for the recipe. Otherwise, your recipe will go rancid in a very short time. So once I have my ginger clean, I make sure to chop it into little pieces and I put it in a blender. This is black seeds. Black seeds are also great for hair growth. Black seeds can treat your scalp and help stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. We will also need a carrier oil. Today I'm going to use olive oil, but feel free to use any plant-based oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. Any of these plant-based oils are great for the hair. So what I did was I put in about a tablespoon of my clove. I added about half a handful of my ginger. Then I added a tablespoon of my black seeds. Then after that, I topped it up with my olive oil. The trick is to make sure to pour enough olive oil to cover all the natural ingredients. Then after that, you're going to blend everything together. Once it's all blended, you're going to transfer it into a pan like so and put it on the stove on a low heat. So this recipe was left on the stove for about 15 minutes on a low heat. After that, you set it aside and allow it to cool down. You're going to use any material with tiny holes, whether a cheesecloth, a paper towel, anything that can collect all the natural ingredients or separate the oil from the natural ingredient. So I use my clean whey cup. Make sure whatever material you use is very clean. Once I strain this, I'm going to add some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil can prevent hair breakages. It will strengthen your hair strands. I added just a few drops of it to this DIY recipe. There are a few things I'm going to add to make this DIY recipe come out the way I want it. So make sure not skipping any part of this. You're watching this video to the end. So this is Vaseline. I measured about a tablespoon of Vaseline and I'm using the double boiler method to melt it completely. Vaseline has been used over the years for the skin, especially your heels, every part of the body, including the hair. Adding Vaseline to your DIY recipe can help keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. The goal is to prevent hair breakages, and in order to prevent hair breakages, you need to keep that hair moisturized, and that is what Vaseline mixed with shea butter can do with your hair. So what you're looking at right now is my shea butter. Shea butter is a great hair moisturizer. I put some shea butter in a bowl and also use a double boiler method to melt it completely. At this point, I'm going to add all the ingredients together. So pay attention to the measurement. What you see in the bowl right now is a clove, ginger, and black seed oil. I measured about 3 tablespoons of this oil. Then I added about 2 tablespoons of my melted Vaseline. I also added about 3 tablespoons of my melted shea butter to this recipe. After that, I'm going to mix everything together and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. So I added some few drops of essential oils. I have a pack of essential oil. There are a lot out there on the market. You can choose any of them. They smell amazing and they add to the benefit of any DIY recipe. After mixing everything together, I left the recipe in the refrigerator until it became solidified like so. This hair pomade is amazing. It smells amazing, guys, and it works so well. It keeps your hair moisturized for a long time. Use it whenever your hair feels dry or on your wash day. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you're going to try. Thank you for watching this video.